Welcome to New Orleans. This is the French Quarter. Let's stroll down some of the most iconic streets in the quarter and soak up some of the atmosphere. We're going to take a detour down to Royal Street, and here you'll find a different place relative to Bourbon. We'll walk past some art galleries and discover some unique shops that are filled with local crafts and admire some elegant architecture along the way. What is your favorite spot to walk around in New Orleans? Let me know in the comments below.